This is a peony flower in winter. It's called ornamental cabbage, also known as leaf peony. Let's pinch off the old leaves at the bottom. Look, there are so many new sprouts down there. Let's mix the soil first. I'm used to adding a little bit of white powder to the soil when mixing it, to kill any pests and their eggs in the soil. Also, this is sulfur powder, because later we'll be watering it with tap water. The soil could become alkaline. The sulfur powder helps to adjust the pH of the soil, and it also has antibacterial properties. Lastly, we add some sheep manure to help it grow stronger. Ornamental cabbage is cold and heat resistant, and it's not picky about pots or soil. It's one of those plants that just needs a little sunlight to thrive. Because it's not delicate, it's easy to care for, as long as you remember to water and fertilize it. It will grow robustly. Today, I suddenly noticed that my plant's leaves have many insect holes. I caught several caterpillars. I must have forgotten to fertilize it recently, and its resistance has gone down. There are also aphids, leaf miners, and other pests showing up. We need to be careful about pest prevention. So, how do we control them? The first method is to catch them by hand or with tweezers, just like I did. The second method is to sprinkle some wood ash. Wood ash is an alkaline substance that can kill and inhibit pests before sprinkling. You can first mist the leaves with water to prevent it from being blown away by the wind. The third method is to use an appropriate low-toxicity insecticide. For example, if we don't have time or if we're growing a lot, using insecticide gives the most obvious effect. The fourth method is a bit trickier. We can introduce natural enemies of pests, such as ladybugs and lacewings. I just found a ladybug, but when I counted, it had 18 spots. An 18 spotted ladybug. It's not a beneficial insect. It's a pest that eats plant leaves, so I sent it away.